Today I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps in Framer. This is a fantastic way to add interactive location features to your website, making it easier for visitors to find your business or any location you want to showcase. First, open your web browser and head to google.com/maps. This takes you straight to Google Maps where you can search for any location in the world. Once you're on the page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in the location you want to embed. This could be your business address, a landmark, or any specific place you'd like to display on your Framer site. After entering your location, Google Maps will load and show you the exact spot on the map. Now look for the Share button. You'll typically find this on the left side panel or near the location details. Click on Share to open up the sharing options. A menu will appear with different ways to share this location. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Embed a Map. Click on it. This is the key step because it generates the code you need to place this interactive map directly into your Framer design. Google will display a preview of what the embedded map will look like along with the HTML code required. Next, you'll see the embedded code in a text box. Look for the button that says Copy HTML and click it. This copies the entire code to your clipboard, which you'll need in just a moment when we switch over to Framer. Now it's time to head over to your Framer project. Open up the design you're working on. Once you're in Framer, look at the top toolbar and click on Insert. This opens up a menu of elements and components you can add to your design. In the search field that appears, type Embed and you'll see the Embed component show up in the results. Click and drag this embed element onto your canvas where you want the map to appear. You can always resize and reposition it later to fit your layout perfectly. After placing the embed component, shift your attention to the right side panel where you'll find various settings for this element. Look for the section labeled Embed and within it find the option that says Type. Click on the drop-down menu next to Type and select HTML. This tells Framer that you're embedding custom HTML code rather than just a simple URL. Now comes the final step. You'll see an HTML field appear where you can paste your code. Click inside this field and paste the embedded code you copied from Google Maps earlier. After pasting the code, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The map should now appear in your Framer design, fully interactive and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Google Maps into your Framer project, giving your website visitors an easy way to see and interact with your chosen location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.